Hello kids, let's learn the colors name. Colors name: brown color, light green color, sky blue color, pink color, shocking pink color, lime color, purple color, blue color, black color, red color, dark green color. Let's learn the alphabets. A. A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. B. B. B is for banana. B. B is for banana. C. C. C is for car. C. C is for car. D is for duck. D is for duck. E. E is for eagle. E. E is for eagle. F. F. F is for frog. F. F is for frog. G. G is for goat. G. G is for goat. G is for goat. H is for hen. H is for hen. I. I is for ink. I is for ink. I is for ink. J. J is for jam. J is for jam. K. K is for king. K is for king. K is for king. L. L. L is for lemon. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for monkey. M. M is for monkey. N is for nose. N. N is for nose. O. O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S. S. S is for sparrow. S is for sparrow. S is for sparrow. T. T. T is for tomato. T is for tomato. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V. V. V is for van. V is for van. W. W is for watch. W is for watch. W. W is for watch. X. X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Y. Y. Y is for York. Y is for York. Y. Y is for York. Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Z. Z is for zebra. Bye, बच्चों. See you in the next video.